Hey, this is like a car you'll do a hit in back in the day. Like you a spin nigga blocking that bitch. Oh God. Like you a spin nigga blocking that bitch, nigga. Oh God. Old school gang. Old school lat, 1977. You like that kind of when they beat them cheeks in that bit.
And we're both old enough to know right from wrong. Tonight is the night. Make me your woman.
Y'all see what that bitch do, guys? Y'all see what that motherfucker do, bitch? Get on one of y'all ass, nigga. Been ready. They been ready, gang, on God. Look at the, they got the red seats. This not even red. This like a red velvet maroon or some shit. Like, ooh, they been really. They been fucked up.
I'm making the play. Screaming for these niggas out of Jakes. Go ahead, the light, take their ass on the chase. And we rhyme straight A, so we gon' get away.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Money Man back with another video. As you can see, man, we finna slide in the old school lat, man. 1977 Cadillac, man. We finna slide in a bit, man. Look at the detail, man. Oh my God, like just look at it, like. Y'all ain't never seen this car, and it's on some gold rims. Like I see them. Like, look at the rims on here, man. Like zoom in on the like. Look at it. Like real gold. Ooh. Ooh. Let me show y'all the inside. I'm gonna give y'all like a little inside view. We finna go spin some blocks with this Drake in it, man. Old school Cadillac 1977, man. Look at the interior, like look at the leather, like just look at it. Let me see. Let me show y'all. Look at this. It's real leather, and the leather like different colors. Like y'all ain't never seen it. Like I ain't gonna lie. Like I love Hellcats and track cars like anything Dodge. But like if I was to get an old school, it'd have to be something like this. Cause like this car look like me like it's an old school. This something I drive. Like look at the steering wheel, GT steering wheel. Like look at the details, man. Cadillac. Hey, if y'all new to my channel, go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Like, just look at the wood pounding and the fire is flat up there. And you got the old with the dash. Pull it up. Crank the bad boy up, man. That's my Mercedes right there, y'all. I got 5 cars. That's my Mercedes right there. Then my cousin, he from Ohio. He let me drive. I want to make a YouTube video over his car. He let me do it. Shout out to my cousin, man. Cousin Ren, man. We in the old school, man. Them mother got them thugs in the back too, boy. Playing that old school country music, man. Y'all know about this, man. Listen to it, man. Alright, y'all. Now we finna go around the block in and like I'm gonna show y'all like what they talking about and stuff like this. Let's go from the back. So I'm gonna switch the view back to the GoPro. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we inside the Cadillac now. We got a supercharger on it, dude. What the fuck? Y'all, my first time in the old school. I'm so excited to drive it. Like, I ain't never drove no old school folks. Like, they got a sunroof and everything. I'm in the old school, bitch. I might slide on your hole in this bitch. Get your whole bust in an old ass car like that. Old ass car with the roof. Man, why the fuck everybody wanna fucking be right here now? Get the fuck on. We in the old school lag, man. Old school gang. Y'all, we in the old school, man. Like, oh snap! I love this car right here, man. Shit, this bitch don't got no horn. Why the horn like this? You don't got no horn. Hey, y'all new to my channel, go leave a like, comment, subscribe. I got both GoPros going right now. Nigga, look at that. Bitch, we in the old school, nigga. What it do? You too, what it do, guys? We in this bitch. We sliding in the old school lag. Ooh, they get back a motherfucker, guy. Hey, I'm finna go get my Drake, nigga. We sliding in Drakes. We got Drakes and shit in the old school, gang. What the fuck? Whole lot of gang shit, man. I gotta show you how this shit look. Like, this shit just tight as fuck. Oh God. Hey, what y'all think, bro? Y'all think I should get an old school? I feel, man, if I get an old school, bro, I'm gonna have an old school, a Mercedes, or Infinity, or a Hellcat. What you think? I should get an old school. I need to get one out of this bitch. I ain't getting no other shit, man. Man, we really living life out this bitch, nigga. Oh God, like this old school lag, 1977. This car came out 2 years after my daddy was born. And we just sliding in this bitch, gang. You like that car? Let me beat them cheeks in that bitch.
And we're both old enough to know right from wrong. Tonight is the night that you make me your home. You said you
motherfucker! Hey, they cut to be bouncing and shit on goddamn on Friday. Pull up on your ass like worm. Better watch how you swerve when you hit that. Yeah, this how I look when I'm driving. Like, it got the old dashboard. This bitch don't even got a handle on the dash. This bitch got 85. Oh shit, I bet goddamn back in the day you couldn't even go on high speed chases in no old school, man. Cause like, ain't no way. You ain't finna get away from no police going 85 miles per hour. Cause they too slow. Like, it looks so big, like, it looks so big outside. Like, this look how it look, like, it looks so big. Nigga, man, we sliding inside old school with Dracos, locks, mag 10s, all type of shit, man. Hey, man, let me show y'all about this motherfucker. Let me give y'all one more review. before I end this video, imagine me pulling out, hopping out, getting on your hoe in this bit. Like, look at this bit, man. Look at this bit, bro. This bit clean as hell, nigga. Damn, my GoPro done fell down, man. Damn, my GoPro done fell down. Man, this bit clean as hell, gang. Like, this bit clean as hell, gang. Sliding in this bit with the Drake. With the Drakes. Drakes in the old school. Hey, this is like a car you'll do a hit in back in the day. Like you a spinning nigga blocking that bitch. Oh God. Like you a spinning nigga blocking that bitch, nigga. Oh God. Oh my mama, dude. Like on an action movie, on Rush Hour or some shit. Man, I love everything about that car. Like, just look at it, bro. Like, look at the interior. Look at the like the buttons, the old buttons. Just like the windows up and down. Like this car, 1977, he still the buttons still work. Like with the windows. Like you expect for this car to have like the windows to go like that, but it actually everything still work. This is a nice ass car. Like, and it got a radio. They got a radio right here too. Like, look at this. Like, look at this, bro. You take the radio off. 10-4 finna shoot a bitch ass nigga with this Draco gang. Y'all see what this bitch do, gang? Y'all see what this motherfucker do, bitch? Bitch, get on one of y'all ass, nigga. Hey, let's see, hey, look. Like, they been ready, gang, on God. Like, look at they got the red seats. This not even red. This like a red velvet maroon or some shit. Like, ooh, this bit really. This bitch being fucked up, nigga. Oh God, this bitch is being fucked up, nigga. On God. Y'all, I want to like keep getting this view from here with my GoPro, but my GoPro went dead. Like, this some fucking bullshit. Like, but it went dead. So right now I got my brother, you know, holding the camera. And you know, hey, I like that old school. Hey, another thing, y'all. With my social media, I want to got AC. I ain't cut it on though. It got a sunroof though. But hey though, like, y'all, my social media, another thing I keep telling y'all, like, my introduction, how I got my Instagram and Snapchat, I be telling y'all to follow me. I disable all my stuff. Like, I deleted. I disable my Instagram and my Snapchat and my Facebook. So y'all cannot type my name on there right now. It's just me and YouTube. Like, that's how I'm feeling right now. Like, you know, I need to take a break from social media because it been a lot of like life changing like situations going on, and it's just, I don't want to see the stuff that I know I'm gonna see. If you know, you know. Like, but all my social media gone. It's just me and YouTube right now. Like, it's just me and YouTube. Like, it ain't nothing else, man. Like, but hey though, we gonna wrap it up for today's video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all want more videos of the old school, and if y'all like videos like this, drop a money bag emoji in the comments below right now, and I'm gonna bring y'all more content like this. I swear to God. Like, but hey though, this gonna be it for today's video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. I love y'all. Y'all be safe. Money man out. Money man gone, man. Bro. Right on. So we gotta get the track out.